Add sequential numbers in Excel by using the fill handle or the row function. Select the first cell in your series. Type the starting value. Type a value in the next cell to establish a pattern. Select the cells with the starting values. Drag the fill handle across the range that you want to fill. Or you can use the row function, which doesn't require a pattern. Select the first cell in your series. Type =, row, parentheses A1. Press Enter. Drag the fill handle across the range that you want to fill. That's it.